I said, I'm not certain if it was yesterday or the day before, or when I said that I'm not certain if we're being unfair to these teams that we call weaker teams and minnows.
Yeah, I remember you saying that.
I said it a couple of days ago because, to be fair, they're playing pretty decent football.
Exactly.
It's not like it's a little buck-up goal and
we have had some great discussions
you're behind the ball
yeah,
89 minutes and you get a one attack. They are playing good football. We saw what Mexico did. It was a good game. We saw what Sweden did today to Mexico. It was a good game. So I'm not certain we are fair to some of these teams. They are in the World Cup, 32, I think it's 208 nations, I think, Earl, you would correct me, that would have participated in the qualifiers. Only 32 are here. And it doesn't matter where you come from. We could make it, and we're a pretty decent team. So you have to give the teams credit. So I'm not certain, are we being unfair to some of these teams?
Sometimes we are. When you look at a team, for example, like Tunisia, I mean, they have a lot of players who play in France. You look at Morocco. Morocco, I think about 17 of the Moroccan players play. They were born outside of Morocco, and they actually play in France, they play in Germany, they play all over the place. So although you're thinking Morocco, they're not from the Moroccan league.
Right.
They actually play from the big leagues. Some of these players play in the top 5 leagues of the world. So you have to be very careful in how you actually categorize these teams into because the players are not necessarily playing. For Senegal, for example, none of the Senegalese players play in Senegal.
They're playing on big clubs.
They're playing clubs right around Europe.
Mane got to the final of the European Championship.
There you go.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful how you actually put them in groups and